guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm Jasmine. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. I cannot stress that enough because YouTube be tripping, and you will not know unless you subscribe and hit the bell to watch my videos and when I upload. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this eyeshadow look right here that you see. I have been doing colorful looks like out the ass. I have not even done any natural looks. I feel like I don't even know what to do. Every time I do my makeup, I can't even do a natural look anymore because I'm like, what am I gonna do? I don't know what to do. So I've just been gravitating to color, and you guys know I've been using these two palettes the most. I'm sorry, I will do some more, like I need to start bringing some variety, but I have been obsessed with the Zulu palette and the Box of Crowns palette so much lately. But I'm proud of myself because I don't normally do that, and you guys, I probably said that in so many of my recent videos. By the way, these lashes are thebomb.com, but this one does not want to stay on for nothing. And it's just not working. But anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, of course, let's just keep on watching. Let me stop talking and let's jump into the video. So I've already done my brows, as you can see. I brushed that one out a little bit too much. Okay, so what I used on my brows today, what I've been using on my brows is this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Eyebrow Kit. And this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure I showed you this on my channel before. This is what the palette looks like. I just started using the cream version in this palette, and because if you guys are familiar with this type of product, I'm sorry, I'm spitting, then you guys know it's kind of like a waxy product. But I've been using it for about a few weeks now, and I love it. It's actually, it glides on super nicely. And what I do is I set it with the powder, the powders in here. So let's just jump into the eyes. I don't really know what I want to do today. I just straightened my hair, and yeah. So we're just gonna kind of all about using powders in this type of product because I'm so used to my dip brow. But yeah, this is pretty good. I have some lashes that I want to try that I picked up this weekend. So I have like these different pairs. Look at these, y'all. So bomb. These are mink lashes, 3D mink lashes. Well, these ones are silk lashes, but these are mink lashes. These ones, so I don't know which ones I'm going to use today. Probably like a natural lash, honestly. Let's go into Zulu today. I'm going to try this yellow. So I'm going to put the yellow color. I wish these had names, but you guys have seen me use this before. So I'm taking this yellow here. And like I said, well, I don't know if I said, if I'm looking down, it's because my mirror is right here. So it's so crazy because you guys know I love a natural, like a neutral beat. But it's so crazy because I've been doing so many colorful looks lately that I don't even know what to do. Like a natural look now, I don't even know what to do. And it's so crazy. I never thought I would ever get to that point because I love me a natural look. But I'm not doing that today for this video. So if you guys want to see like my go-to makeup or something like that, definitely comment down below and let me know. I will do that for you guys because that's like my thing. But for these videos, I don't know, I just feel like I just gravitate towards color now. Okay, you guys, I thought I was recording this whole time, but I'm taking this orange and I blended that into that yellow in my crease. I hate that when I think I'm recording and I'm really not. I'm just taking this clean blending brush and I'm just going to clean that all away, blow it away so that it looks, you know, flawless. And this eye is like always my best eye, I feel like. This eye is okay. And if you notice how I'm holding my brush, because I want a very light hand, just kind of, you know, buffing away any harshness. Morphe what is this? The M139. And I'm going to take this pink. Y'all know I love this palette so much. This is the box of crayons. I'm gonna take the color Deep Plum. Small brush like this. This is a Morphe M506 because if you can see how small that it is, so it gets into that crease like really nicely. But we're gonna go back into our our pink with that same brush. Zip that on in there. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my crease. I need a thicker concealer. Where is my baby at? Concealer. This is in the color 125 Fair, and this is what it looks like. You guys have seen me use this so many times. By the way, I am going to be doing a braces update right after I film this video, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in that. That video is actually probably going to be up first, so if you are here for my braces, go ahead and click right down here or right up here so that you can watch that video. But anyways, I'm about to cut my crease now. There's so many new products out that I want to try. I haven't bought makeup in so long, like seriously. Oh, I forgot to show you. Okay, so you guys seen that I have new lashes that I want to try. And I also picked up this Olay mist that we're going to be trying in this video, just because I want to see if it's really as good as Auntie Jackie says, which is why I bought it. I bought it because she recommended it, and Brianna also. All right, so I'm gonna go into my what you call this, my Zulu palette, and I'm gonna take this purple, taking a small brush from Morphe. Close my door. So I'm gonna go into white. So yeah, that's it. Me. Okay, now it's time to choose what lashes we want to wear, and I have no idea. I know I don't want to wear these. These are too dramatic. Lashes are so freaking bomb. Look at that. And they flip out at the end. You probably can't even see it on camera. They are so, like, I've never wore lashes like this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I seriously hate putting mascara on because look at this right there. Y'all know all the hard work is just messed up. I'm gonna try my best to fix it, but I'm gonna have to take my pictures on this eye. This is crazy. While the glue is drying, I'm gonna take a little bit of this pink. I don't even understand how long it just took me to do these lashes. This side went on so easily. This side, this is like the 4th time I've tried to put it on, but my eye keeps watering so bad. It's my hydrating booster from Simple. My eyes wherever my concealer goes so that my skin is not like super dry right there. But of course I did moisturize already with my Cetaphil facial moisturizer that I love so much. Y'all, if y'all start seeing my eyelash come off, I'm so sorry, but this eye just keeps on watering, so I'm trying to like move on because I've been here on my face, my eyes for about 30 minutes, if not longer. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I'm just gonna put a few pumps on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics foundation brush. to apply this. And I kind of forgot about this foundation. Look how it's kind of, it is full coverage, I would say. Oh, hey. Hey to the hubs that just walked on by like it was nothing. So I have like a few breakouts like across here, but this foundation hit it pretty well, so. But yeah. I don't know why my eyes, this eye keeps watering. But babe, look how good they look, these lashes. I need to go back and get some more. Like, look, I never worn lashes like this. So bomb. Close the door. I've been doing my contour lately instead of my concealer. So to contour, my Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know why I've been contouring first, but it's just been working out to do so. So to blend this all out, I'm gonna take my my Real Techniques buffing brush. And I'm just gonna blend a little bit of this contour down. Did my highlighting yet, so. Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Light or Fair. To blend out the Maybelline concealer, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender. That's a little dirty, so don't judge me, but yeah. So on my chin, I don't like to like bring it too far up to my mouth anymore. I just kind of keep it, you know, there. What are you doing? Look at the difference. Boom, boom, boom. Just have fun. Where's it at? I'm gonna blend out this in that same brush that I used to blend out my contour, and I'm gonna just blend out that concealer. And then one more time, just go under my eyes. And I'm gonna take my Coty Airspun, and I'm just going to dip. And then, of course, I'm gonna set. And then before I finish off like bronzing and stuff, I'm gonna go into, oh my goodness. I'm gonna go into finishing my eyes. So I'm gonna take the Zulu palette. I'm gonna take my Tarte. Which is just like a bronzy color. Before I add my highlighter, I'm gonna spray my face. Girl. So I'm gonna be using the Olay Energizing Face Mist that has been recommended on YouTube. Hopefully it's good. I sprayed it earlier and I wasn't impressed, so. I mean, it smells amazing. Okay, when it says mist, it's literally, like, that's what it is. When they say it's a mist, it's such a light, like, it's really a mist. I'm not even kidding. My Ray Ray palette. It's called Radiant. But yeah, I'm gonna do my lips and then I'll come back to close out this video. So I pretty much used everything that I'm used to using in this video. The only thing that I'm not like super impressed with yet is this Olay facial mist. It smells amazing, but I don't really know that it's good for setting makeup. I've sprayed it on my face before I did my makeup and I liked it for that. So maybe that's what I'll use it for, but it's just too fine of a mist. Like, it's literally a mist. Y'all remember at the park where they have the little mist machines in the summer that the kids love to run through? That's basically what it is. It's just like a mist, literally, which is what it says. So I guess there's no false claims or anything like that. But I do like the smell. It smells really good. And I also noticed that they had the energizing one and also another one, but I wanted the energizing one to wake up my skin. But yeah, I love the way that my makeup came out for this look. I cannot wait to do some more looks for you guys. Comment down below some looks. And like I said, you guys, I got these lashes. I am obsessed with these lashes. I cannot wait to wear these number 6 lashes. I have on number 4, I believe, right now. And then yeah, I have these ones as well, which is like a fuller version of the ones that I have on. So yeah, I loved that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.